Hey there, and welcome to our patio. I'm Lauren, this is Casey. We're two of Festival's Mealtime Mentors, and today we are taking traditional strawberry shortcake, which you probably see some of those ingredients here already, and we are turning it into a decadent grilled dessert.
Yes, we are making grilled shortcake skewers, which are so simple and easy, but so delicious. Easy to start if you've already got your grill going for something else, but also worth it to start up your grill for these.
Yes, for sure. So, to get started, we've got our wooden skewers here that we have already soaked. If you do a lot of grilling, you may want to invest in more of a metal skewer, but these will work if you don't do a ton of skewers or kebabs on the grill. So our ingredients that we're going to thread on, we're going to take a piece of angel food cake, and then we've also got pineapple chunks cut into about 1-inch pieces, and then whole strawberries. And you just keep threading.
Yeah, and what a fun activity for kids to get involved to make their own skewers. You know, you could always switch up the ingredients too, which is always kind of fun to have like customizable desserts.
Yes, and we're using a lot of shortcuts too. So this cake, angel food cake, is just from our bakery. So it's just a loaf that you buy. You can also buy an even bigger whole round that you usually see for strawberry shortcake. But that makes it a little bit easier, but you could totally customize the cake as well.
Yes, and you could customize the fruit too. We were talking about different fruits that would work on the grill. Really anything that kind of is able to be in big enough chunks to be on a skewer, and also has kind of enough weight to hold its own on a grill. So different types of melon, things like that would probably be good. So feel free to play around with that as well.
Yes, or if you're not a pineapple fan, just do the strawberries and the cake.
Oh yeah.
Plus then you get more cake, which is
never a bad thing.
Not a bad thing.
No.
But when it comes to the cake, you could use other types of more like pound cake. So we've got lots of those in our bakery as well. Different flavors. You could do more of a fruit flavor, or even chocolate chip would be really good. All right, one more for each of us. But what a fun activity, like we had mentioned, to get kind of everybody together, threading the skewers.
Right.
They take next to no time, which I think a lot of times after dinner, you just don't want to spend a ton of time on getting a dessert ready.
Definitely.
But this just makes it super, super simple.
Yes, this is a good one. And I just love having fruit on the grill in the summer. It really brings out the natural sweetness in fruit. It kind of caramelizes all of that sugar. It's so delicious.
Yes, it is.
All right, so we are going to stick these on the grill then. We have sprayed the grill before so that they don't stick, especially when it comes to that cake. It can get pretty sticky. So we're going to grill them for about 4 to 5 minutes, but we're going to turn it occasionally throughout so that they don't burn. And make sure when you are turning that, if you're using tongs, that you kind of grab it by the fruit and not by the cake, because it is pretty delicate. So, so we will let those cook. All right. Oh my gosh.
Oh, those look perfect.
These look awesome. I love the grill marks on the fruit and the cake.
Yes. Oh my gosh.
And you can smell the like sugary.
Yeah, it sounds like a campfire to me. It's got to be because of the cake.
Yes.
And it's very like toasted sugar.
Exactly. Yes.
Smell. So to garnish today, we're actually going to do a little drizzle of Hershey's. We're using Hershey's chocolate syrup.
Yum.
They have a dark chocolate as well.
Ooh, that would be very good with fruit.
Doesn't that look good? And then we're doing a dollop of whipped cream for dipping, which is really fun.
Yes. Anything to get whipped cream in my life, I am here for.
For sure. Look how gourmet this looks.
Oh my gosh, it's so pretty.
Ooh, this cake, I'm going for that cake.
That's a good idea.
Is very toasty.
Try this strawberry.
Get a little bit of whipped cream here.
Oh my gosh.
This tastes like a toasted marshmallow.
Oh my gosh, yes.
How's the fruit?
So good. It's so sweet. Like way sweeter than it is raw, which is already, especially at this point in the summer, really sweet.
Yes, it's from the grilling.
Yeah, it just brings out all the best in all of these foods.
Definitely a good trip. Well, we hope you give this dippable grilled dessert a try.
And for more recipes and resources from your Mealtime Mentors, visit bestfoods.com.